Tell me everything about your hair.
I've never had a curly cut before.
Okay.
My mom has cut my hair, and I've only ever really done trims. I feel like I like the texture of it for the most part. I feel like sometimes like the top of my head and kind of like right like back here at the crown is where I find problems. Like it gets the frizziest whenever I try to style it down.
Okay.
But I very rarely wear it down. Like every day it's like up.
Like slick back with Eco?
Slick back, or I'll just put it in like a low braid and wear it like that. I do not wear it down very often. On a rare day, I'll wear it in like a ponytail and like brush out the ponytail and kind of define the curls.
Okay. So are you not wearing it down because you're just not getting that longevity like you said?
That, and I feel like, you know, for like special occasions and everything, I'll like try to do what I can to make it look nice, but I feel like there's also just like still so much I don't really know about like
the style part. Okay. And then when's the last time you got your hair cut?
Probably like January is when I had trim.
Whenever you're going in, are you asking for layers?
No. I mean, I just get it cut at home. Like whenever I straighten my hair during the winter time, I just let my mom cut it and she just trims the ends for me.
Okay. What do you not like about your shape right now?
I just feel like it's all kind of like I would like layers. I feel like it's all kind of the same. I don't know. I feel like there's no really like shape to it.
Yeah, it's just one length. Do you want any face framing?
Yes.
Okay. But not bangs?
No, not bangs.
Okay. Do you like the length that you're at right now, or do you want to get longer?
I mean, I would like for it to be longer, but this is probably the longest it's been in a long time, so I'm pretty happy with where it is right now.
How much longer do you want to get?
I would say probably like right about there.
But you still want to prioritize shape over length? Okay.
Shape I like, that shape I like with the face framing pieces. And then I was looking at all of your TikToks too.
Sure.
I know it's not the exact same texture, but the definition of her curls,
for sure.
I really like.
Yeah, that's not gonna be an issue. Let's go back to your favorite like inspo.
Okay, probably that one.
Okay. Obviously longer, right? I think we should start with long layers just so you can see how layers look like on you.
Okay.
And then we can gradually add more. Now, if we get you styled today and you're like, let's go for it, then I can definitely add more. But let's start small since you've never really had a lot of shape in your hair, so you're not like super shocked by that.
Okay.